Afternoon guys, my name's Pete Rainford, you're watching Rainford's Brew Lab. Today we are making hard lemonade or hard soda. Take your pick. This is video number 4 in our Ultra Brew playlist, and this is going to cost 18 pence for a litre. Right, ingredients. We need the customary 500 millilitres of cold water, 500 millilitres of warm water, 250 ml of lemon juice in this bottle. We need 15 ml, which I'm guesstimating at a capful. 125 grams of sugar, and to brew it all we need our usual plastic 1 litre PET bottle and cap. If you've got a funnel as well, dig that out because it will make things easier. Okay, let's make some room. Okay, one very clean 500 milliliter PET bottle, that's very important. We are going to start by getting our sugar in. 125 grams of sugar, 14 pence. Important, remember that, 14. Okay, I am going to use the funnel because I've got one. If you've got one, use it too, trust me. 125 grams of sugar, how much? 14 pence. Okay, so we've got 14 pence in there. I'm not adding up any money for the water, by the way, because it doesn't even get to a penny a litre, so the water's free. Which one's the warm one? That one. 500 millilitres of warm water. Now, add the cap and screw it on as tight as you can and give this a good shake. This puts oxygen in and mixes the sugar. You know the score, guys. Okay, let's see what that's done. I just use warm water out the tap, by the way, guys. I'm guessing around 50-60 degrees, and when we add the cold water in a minute, that will bring it down to a temperature that won't kill off our yeast. Okay, looks like that's the sugar dissolved. Okay, take the top back off, of course. And I can see that sugar is dissolved. This is 65 pence in Aldi for 250 millilitres, which works out, for what we need at least, at 3 pence. So I'm guessing between 10 and 15 millilitres in a cap. And we're just going to add that to our brew. Whoa, spilling more than getting there. Okay, so the sugars in this are very low. It's not going to really add any to our ABV. The ABV is coming purely from the sugar. So this is for taste, obviously. Okay, put that to one side. Right, let's top up with our cold water. That's perfect, we'll leave a little bit of room there for fermentation. Okay, now we need a 1/4 teaspoon of Aldi yeast, which I've just realised I didn't put out in the ingredients at the beginning, for those of you. So, we do need some yeast for this. Okay, I've got Aldi bread yeast here, which is 99 pence for 56 grams. 1/4 teaspoon is going to add a penny's worth to our brew, which brings us up to a grand total of 18 pence. 14 pence of sugar, 3 pence of lemon juice, and 1 pence of yeast. Don't forget the yeast, Peter. No precious, there won't. Okay, so 1/4 teaspoon of a rather important ingredient, yeast. And what do I always forget to do before I pitch the yeast? Let's take a reading. Before I do that, I'll put the top on, swirl the yeast up, because it's all in the top there, which I'd love to leave it there, but being that I have forgotten to take a reading, I'm now going to have to swirl it up. 1 beaker, 1 hydrometer, 1 baster. Helps if you put the baster inside the beaker. Okay, what have we got? 1.042. 1.042. Okay guys, I'm going to pull that back of course. And right, place the top loosely. Half a turn, no more. So that it's loose and the gas can escape. You know the score by now guys. Okay, this goes on the heating mat for 7 to 10 days, the usual. I have to keep my eye on this because there's only sugar and yeast in there, and if it's not kept at the right temperature it could stall, in which case I'd have to have more ingredients which would bump the price up, and that kills our whole effort here. So right, I'll see you in about 10 days guys. Bye for now. Afternoon guys, we've got our hard lemon soda here. Now it's been 10 days, I'm going to take a hydrometer reading, see where we're at, and see if it's time to cold crash this and get a taste of our rather cheap brew, I might add. Okay. Lemony. Looks like I could drink it now, but it's starting to clear. That's why I'm thinking it's finished fermenting. That hydrometer has dropped like a stone. Although, well, there's a little bit of carbonation there as well, so it's starting to ride the bubbles. Ride! Yeah, when the bubbles aren't affecting the buoyancy, it's around probably 0.998. Certainly the 1.000 mark. Yeah, I'm gonna say 1.000 guys. That's good enough for me. Okay, I'll get a close up of that guys, because it's important for our little mini series here of ultra budget brews and what strength we can get them to, of course. Yeah, on the meniscus there, 1.000. Our opening gravity was 1.042 guys. That gives us around a 5.5 to 6% brew, which is, yeah, that's plenty for what little bit of sugar we put in this and a little bit of flavouring. Okay guys, I am going to pull that back very gently because I don't want to disturb this. As I say, it's starting to clear. It does smell like I could taste it now, but I'll be patient. I will cold crash this and get it nice and clear for you guys, and for my own pleasure. I love seeing a clear alcohol. I'm not a big fan of the cloudy ones. And yeah, it smells like I want to drink it now. Right, cold crash. See you tomorrow, maybe the day after. Afternoon guys. 20 pence hard lemon soda. This has cleared up quite nicely, more so than the previous malt brew actually. So, did it carbonate a little? No carbonation. It's been cold crashing for a couple of days and it's time for a taste, hence why the glass is here. So, let's go straight in guys. Come on. Oh, that's a big glass. That's pretty clear. A few particles hanging around there, but all in all, happy with the clarity of that. Let's put that top back on. Okay, let's have a smell. Ooh, that's not quite what I expected. The lemon is there a little bit. I'm getting something else though. I can't put my finger on that. I think it's just that more of that kill you sort of smell that you get from a sugar wash. The lemon is there, it's very faint. I'm hoping there's a bit more of the lemon on the taste, obviously. Okay, should we go for it guys? 18 pence per 1 litre. Hard lemon soda. Here we go. Well, that's lemonade. That is lemonade. More. Alcoholic lemonade, oh my god, that's dangerous. Oh my god, over ice in the summer. It'd be a danger to mankind. It really would. That's so zingy, so refreshing. There's no off taste there at all. There's no off smells. That's great. That's absolutely great. 18 pence. 18 pence per litre. Oh my god. I'm going to fill a pint of 3 with that stuff in the summertime. Over ice. Shh. Sparkly. Here we go. It would just disappear. That's amazing. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Well guys, some water, some sugar, some yeast and a squirt of lemon is what we've just made that for. Total cost 18 pence. That's number 4 in our series. Number 5 coming up next week, maybe week after. Number 5 is our Spud Wash. Zingy hard lemon soda. Well, you know what time that is now, guys. It just leaves me to say cheers. Look out for the next one.